Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share with you a company that you guys know that I've worked with in the past, and they're called Cell MD. So they're gonna be launching these Black Friday bundles, which I am so excited about, and I was honestly so taken back when they contacted me and they wanted me to review a couple of their boxes that they have coming out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna show you the box and kind of do an unboxing, read a little bit about the product, and then from there let you know pricing and stuff like that. And I know they're gonna be launching towards the end of November, so within a couple of weeks. But I'm so excited to be collabing with them, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check these boxes out. So the first box that I have, and they're super cute. They are here, and it has the product name on it, which is Cell, and then they have their logo right here on this side. Hoping you can see it. Super cute packaging. You can actually wrap a bow on them if you're gonna give them for Christmas or birthday or just because. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see which one it is. So you open it up and you have obviously paper. So they have the products in here, and this one looks like it is this one's the Derma Detox box. So what it has in this box is going to be the Nanotech Stem Cell Face Mask, which I am so excited to try. And in this one you get 4 masks, which is a really good deal. So here they are. So you get 4 of these. And then the next thing that you get is the Protective Skin and Lip Moisturizer. And you guys know that I am in love with this stuff. I use it for everything. I pop it in my purse. I actually got my husband obsessed with it. It smells good. It keeps your lips moisturized without being like all like tacky and sticky. And it's a clear, it's like a pinky, real soft pink color. And it just smells so fresh, and I love it. So you get that in the bundle, and the last thing that you get is the eye serum, which I am so excited to try. The eye serum, and it looks like this right here. And let's go ahead and see. Oh, that was thick. I love when an eye serum is thick because you know it's gonna work. And that right there. Okay. So those are the 3 products that you're gonna get in this box. And like I said, this box is called the Derma Detox. And I have my notes right here, so I'm gonna read a little bit about it and what the products actually do, and then let you know the pricing. So this one is the Derma Detox trio of the Stem Cell Face Mask, Eye Serum, and then the Protective Skin and Lip Moisturizer. They are nutrient-rich ingredients that brighten, rejuvenates, and promotes younger looking skin. These 3 products fight aging and diminishing any dark circles and inflamed discoloration. Additionally, these products strengthen the skin's dermal layer and boost cell activity to brighten, tighten, and help skin appear more youthful, which is amazing. I mean, who doesn't want to look younger? Especially me, I'm 38, so you gotta keep this like supple and plump. As all 3 products are cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, free of harmful chemicals, and are made in the US. And the total cost normally for these 3 products would be $241, but because they are doing the Black Friday bundle discount, is gonna be $69.95. So you get a total of 75% off. And like I said, these products are amazing. And if you're interested, definitely I will put it in the description box below where you can pick yours up. And I know Thanksgiving's around the corner. We have birthdays, anniversaries, whoever. If you know anyone that loves beauty products, I know they would love this set right here. I will have their link in the description box below where you can go check them out and see what they're offering. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try the products that are in the Derma Detox Black Friday bundle set. And there's 3 products that I'm gonna be using. And the first one is the face mask, which I'm excited to try. And then also the skin and lip moisturizer, as well as the eye serum. You probably can't see that, but I'm going to take them out and use them with you guys and let you know what I think. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on this. It's called the Nanotech Stem Cell Face Mask, and I'm excited to try it out. It comes with 4 of them, which is a really good deal because for me, I love masks, and if I can do a mask every day, I would, but I try and keep it to at least once a week. So let's go ahead and see what it says. It says, I already cleansed my face, so there's no product on my face. I cleansed it and dried it. I didn't put any type of moisturizer or anything on, so it's ready to go. So cleanse your face, gently remove mask from pouch and peel off one side of the protective paper. Apply the sticky side mask to your face. So let's go ahead and open it, which I already did. It smells like, smells like cucumbers. Okay, so it's in here. You guys can see that. Take this out. Oh my god, it's so liquidy. Okay. And it says gently remove mask pouch, peel off one side of the protective paper. Okay. I'm confused. Oh, okay. So, okay. I get it. So it has 2 different layers on here of like a protective paper. Okay, so you're just gonna peel this side, and I'm assuming this is trash. And so there's a really thin, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's a thin, like a gel. Yeah, it's a stick that to your face. So let's go ahead and do that. You don't know what it's like. I know you don't love it like I say you do. I know you don't love it like I say you do. You remove this top portion here. I know you don't love it like I say you do. I don't care. Okay guys, so it's been about 40 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. It's kind of like tacky, like it's drying up. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. It feels so refreshing, like cool, like a cooling effect. So let's take this off. And the next thing it tells you to do is just rub the excess serum that is left over. And you guys, like, I want to let you know that that felt so relaxing. I literally was gonna wash dishes and check emails and do that, but it felt so cooling. I literally just laid on my bed for like 40 minutes. So I loved it. I'm gonna let it go ahead and sink in. And it says you can use it 1 to 2 times a week. I probably wouldn't. I'm used to doing it just like every Mondays. I normally do my mask on Mondays, Monday evenings or mornings, depending on what I'm feeling like. Okay, so I am obsessed with it. I really like it. And like I said, let me read a little bit about it. It says, developed over 10 years of research, our patent stem cell-based mask utilizes advanced nanotechnology to promote healthy, glowing skin. The specialized gel mask is formulated from organic nanofibers that form a gentle bond with the surface of your skin. Our unique stem cell enhancing serum can then penetrate deeper under the dermal facial layers to rejuvenate from the inside out. By harnessing the power of stem cells to storing their growth factors in these nanofibers, the mask is more effective in delivering peptides and nutrition into damaged areas. Healing signals to the skin stimulates regeneration and fibroblasts becoming active to produce collagen and connective tissue. This result is healthier, plumper, and firmer skin. This professional home skin therapy is all-in-one solution for healthy maintenance. Use weekly or even daily for optimal results. So I'm excited. I'm actually going to be doing some micro needling. I ordered a Dr. Penn's. This would be perfect because then all the serum that is in this mask would literally, my skin would absorb it really fast. So I'm excited to try. So the next thing I have is the eye serum, which is right here. Hoping you can see that. That here. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just put a little bit under the eyes, and I'm going to rub that in. Absorbing itself. And I always like to put it right here because I always have that angry face. And that's one of the reasons why I'm doing the microneedling. Okay. So I love it because I can feel it getting tacky, like it's actually absorbing itself. Okay, so that's done. So now the next thing in this box is the protective lip and skin moisturizer, which is, you know, that I love. So let's open that up and put a little bit on my lips. And you just need a little bit. Oh. So that's it, you guys. That's the Derma Detox Black Friday bundle that CellMD is going to be having on sale. Like I said, they're having 75% off of these boxes. So I would literally take advantage of it while you can for Christmas presents or birthday, and if you just want to treat yourself. I mean, it's amazing. I definitely would. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time, see you in the next video.